In general, if you have X tasks to be done in an amount of time which is Y, then what you want to do is have X by Y number of tasks being processed per second. Unfortunately, if you run a cron job in a naive way, what usually happens is no tasks are being performed before the cron time hits, at which time all of the tasks are performed together. So this is at a level of X, and your server might get overloaded here. This kind of spiky traffic might stop other requests from being served soon. So the load drops off dramatically and then again comes back to zero before the next cron job time. Right? There's another spike here. So you want to convert this red line into the smooth black line that we have, always going at X by Y number of tasks. This is the idea. How do you do this? Let's say you have 3000 documents and 30 minutes of time. The idea here is inspired by hashing. So you take a document and you see its ID. This ID is now divided by 30 and the remainder is taken. So let's say there's a document ID 37. So its remainder with 30 is going to give you 7. And this is going to be a cron index. Similarly, a document with ID 30 is going to have a remainder 0. 0 will be its cron index. A document with ID 1789 is going to have a remainder with 30 equal to 19, and so that will be its cron index. It's important to notice that the cron index is at most 29. So from 0 to 29, you have different cron indexes for different documents. Okay, we have effectively hashed our document into a particular cron index. Why is this useful? On every minute, so minute number 0, starting with that, we take all documents having the same cron index. So all documents divisible by 30, that is document ID 0, ID 30, ID 60, and so on. These documents will be processed in the first cron job. Okay, so what have we done? We have taken our total number of documents and divided it by 30. Similarly, t equal to 1, which is the first minute, we look at all documents having the same cron index, 1, 31, 61, and so on. In this way, cron index 19 will also have jobs of 19, 49, 79, 1789 will also come somewhere, and then it keeps going. It depends on the total number of documents that you have. So roughly what we have done is we have taken our documents and broken them into 30 pieces. Each piece is being picked up by one cron job. Each cron job is running every 30 minutes. So instead of running one big cron job, we are running 30 small cron jobs. That's how we can avoid this thundering herd. You see the volume of tasks that are being performed here in this box, let's say the area here, is going to be the same as the area in this red line. The only benefit is that the peak load has been reduced with a trade-off of some additional software complexity.